actual results are pretty quick, but results that make an impact take longer. If you're normally a guy getting 3 calls a day, you'll get to 4 calls a day pretty fast.
Right.
But 4 calls isn't enough to get your attention and make you realize what's happened.
Right.
It doesn't seem like that much.
Right.
And it's going to take maybe 60, 90 days to double you to 6 calls a day, and that's when they start to notice.
So, yeah, that's very correct, Jason, because when I'll say that statement, they'll go, so it doesn't work for 3 or 4 months? I said, I never said that. You probably get extra leads in the first month if you're qualified, which I just defined as a year and a half up with over 50 reviews, okay? Yeah. Then a new website goes up, then all of our services, then DataPins and all the other stuff we do. That's for a different podcast. All the stuff comes down. A very heavy hand comes to fight for you without cheating.
It's working from day one.
Right.
But the results follow behind.
Our client feels it and like, oh, shit.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
3 or 4 months. And then we can prove it up in Google Analytics at that point. And then they see it. And if they're savvy and understand what they are, which is a digital branded signal, you never stop fighting. How long I got to do this for? Forever.
As long as you're in business.
There you go. Sandlot. Forever. But anyway, so you don't ever stop. It's not my fault. Don't get mad at me. It's not self-serving. Yes, our clients pay us each month, but it's for a good reason so that we can help you brand, show a good user experience, have attributes that are modern essential SEO, have DataPins, and have a professional service helping to champion your brand along with things that you'll do, such as DataPins on site or from the office. So guys, be the guy that has the base. Start there. I'll leave you with this too. Be positive, Don't act like it can't happen. Look up there. Manifest this stuff. Talk about it. Don't negative talk yourself all the way through life and complain about that's the problem. Somebody before 50 reviews, 3 trucks on the road, hopes, dreams, and complaints.
Yeah.
I don't mind the hopes and the dreams, but I'm 52. I can't be listening to that all day long.
Tired of complaints.
Yeah. The complaints, though, I'm tired of the complaints.
Yeah. And here's the thing. If you think it can happen, it can happen. It does happen. We see it happen all the time. Yeah. When we sign on a new client, we expect it to happen.
I expect all of our clients to get dominant, though I can't promise it. Anybody promising it's just lying-ass salesperson.
Right.
But I expect you to get dominant. That's where, depending on what reports you listen to, over 70% of the search is coming from Google Maps, organic, reputation reviews, and now Gemini AI, organic as well. Same thing on Bing and ChatGPT. That is where all this stuff comes from. You want to be in this big show. Don't tell yourself you can't do it. Don't complain. No, not every marketing company is bad. 30,000 of them, probably 29,900 of them are bad. It's like a needle.
29,999.
Maybe. I won't go that far. We're not the only place for salvation here, but it's you might find somebody else. You won't find as good as us. No. You might find somebody else take you to the promised land, but we'd take you there in style, and it won't be as good as our deal. It absolutely will not be.
Correct.
Guys, when you're ready, call us. We'd like to hear from you. And when I say when you're ready, when you're mentally ready and you have a base ready to go, we're ready to hear from you. You can validate our services too. Like I said, credentials running out of our ears that we deserve and have earned and own DataPins. Nobody else uses it. It's not white labeled. I don't let anybody else have it. Tried to sell it to other agencies. They're so bad at it that we stopped. They couldn't even implement it well. You cannot go sprinkle dust over trash and make it work. You cannot give something special like DataPins to ignorance and have them deploy it properly. It has all these things with your brand are vital and important. It's important to do everything right if you want to get up in ranking. And getting up in these SEO rankings, do not take what we said and apply it to the sales huckster that sold you on something and assume it's going to be the same thing. And because you heard something similar from someone else and it didn't work is irrelevant to us.
We're not saying what they say. They're saying what we say.
Yeah.
But they don't know what it means.
Yeah. And any plumber call me and any digital marketing jackass listen, screw you, man, for using my stuff and making our industry look bad. Guys, call us when you're ready. Email, direct message. We'd like to hear from you. We'll see you.